Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your phone's NFC and opening the right app. Enable NFC in Settings, then unlock the device so writing can proceed without timeouts. Make sure the physical card or blank NFC tag is immediately accessible and writable. If it contains data, back it up first. Open the Wallet, Transit, or dedicated NFC writer app and choose Add Card or Write Tag to begin. This gets you into the active workflow quickly, so you can move to data entry and pairing without delay. Now focus on the detailed work. Select the correct card type and enter the required fields precisely, names, numbers, ID, because malformed data prevents proper emulation. Once fields are set, authenticate with PIN or biometric when prompted, and grant write permissions. Place the phone's NFC antenna 0.2 centimeters from the card or tag and hold steady. Movement often causes failures. Watch the app for progress bars or status messages and, if offered, enable encryption or secure element options to protect the card data during the transfer. Finish by waiting for the app's confirmation that the write completed, then verify the card works by tapping it to a reader or using the app's test feature. If it fails, don't panic. Reboot your phone, try a different blank tag, and ensure the app and OS are updated. Make sure the tag isn't read-only and that your phone's case isn't blocking the antenna. Keep one backup of card data and note limitations. Some cards can't be cloned or require carrier/issuer registration to function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.